Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car and exposing the front or rear stabilizer assembly. This reduces variables and keeps you safe. Once the wheels are chalked and the car is lifted, remove only the lower splash shield if present so you can access the end links. Next, inspect the rubber bushings and end link studs for play so you know whether to tighten, lube, or replace. This initial check tells you how aggressive your next steps must be. You now loosen the end link nuts just enough to allow movement, freeing seized parts without dropping components. Once done, use a wire brush and penetrating spray to remove rust so new lubricant adheres. Cleaning reduces squeak sources. Next, apply silicone or white lithium grease to the bushing contact surfaces and reseat components while you snug bolts. Make sure to torque to manufacturer spec to prevent overcompression or under. You finish by lowering the vehicle and taking a short test drive to listen for remaining noise because dynamic loads reveal hidden play. Once back, recheck and retorque fasteners. Minor settle-in requires adjustment. If the rattle persists, replace worn end links or install split polyurethane bushings for a permanent fix. Forced tightening won't cure worn parts. One troubleshooting tip: if intermittent clunking continues, inspect adjacent mounts and use a temporary rubber shim to isolate contact while you source replacement parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.